Hello and welcome to today's morning announcements. Today is Monday, May 10th. Today, a special thing we have happening, it's going to be going on every Monday, is your YMCA Zoom class. Now, this is a health and um, food education course that you will be taking each Monday at 2:45 on Zoom. So please log in at 2:45 p.m. Today, Monday. Here's the link. You can also get to the link through this YMCA Zoom link you can see here. Coming up next week, coming up here quickly, we have our testing week. We're going to be doing the NWEA test that we will be needing to take. That will be going on throughout the week next week. We'll start doing one of the tests on Monday, and the other one on Tuesday, and then makeups for the rest of the week. Now, we are also going to be doing our Fontes and Pinnell testing for reading testing for select students that week as well. So stay tuned for if you are going to have a testing time during that week. That will be at the end of the week. So because have so many tests we're going to be doing, again, these tests will take place virtually on your computers. Because of that, we are not going to have Zoom on that week. Now, again, this is not this week. This is coming up next week. You can see the dates here, May 17th through the 21st. Students that are behind on math in Mr. Farrell's class. We've still got these students have yet to complete a lesson. Um, just need to at least get started on something. Ava and Savannah, Aiden, Malik, and Amara, you guys are all very behind as well. 5, 6, and 7, respectively. We have Rachel, who is slipping behind a little bit with 4 behind, and then Naomi and Harumi are just behind by 1. I think you guys can do that pretty quickly. You guys need to be spending time catching up, not just the time that you're on Zoom. You need to be spending extra time because you have not done work for all of these days. You have not done the bare minimum amount of work for 10 days, 7 days, 6 days, 5 days, 4 days, or 1 day. And so that means that you need to just spend more time today to make up for the time that you did not spend on those days. Today in language, we are going to be reading a book. It looks like this. Gems, Treasures from the Earth. Now, you can find that in your Raz Kids account. We are going to be reading it over Zoom today. Again, it's very important that you choose one of these reading platforms to read a bare minimum of 30 minutes every day. Very important. Your math lesson in Zern. We're going to be working on Figure Out Eights, lesson 11 in Zern. We're going to be moving on. We're doing the Z Squad over our Zoom. However, you guys need to make sure that you are doing Number Jam, Multiply Mania, and Tower of Power independently. Social Studies. We are going to start a new unit in Social Studies. It is called Engage in Your Own Inquiry, and it looks like this. So this first one here is very short, very quick. So this one should not take you a long time, and we only have 4 lessons for this particular unit and the test. So we will be finished by the end of this week. Again, in social studies, check to make sure you're caught up. Okay, check to make sure you're caught up. You can do that by looking at the weeks. If you go back, we started at week 15. You should have that 100% completed all the way down through this week, which is week 27. 11 weeks that we've been doing this. All right, in science, you can follow the link to do the Generation Genius video. Let me know if this link is not working for you. We are working on particles and the particle nature of matter today. All right, everybody, have a tremendous Monday. We will see you all on Zoom shortly. Goodbye.